We are the Rupee Lane team. I'm Aryan.
I'm Shiva.
I'm Ishika. We are from the school in Mysore.
We have created a mobile application called the Rupee Lane, especially to help the street vendors in the unorganized working sectors. The Rupee Lane app has two important functionalities. The first part of the app is to impart financial literacy to the vendors. It helps them to understand savings, investment, pension plans, and insurance. It also links them to the web pages of the government schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana (PMJDY), Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana (PMJJBY), etc.
The app will give a complete description of the schemes and the documents required to join the schemes.
This app is very user-friendly and every instruction is voice-based. This makes it easy for people who do not know to read.
The second part of the application helps the vendors to connect with the other vendors in the particular area. They can find out the price and the stock of any particular item sold in the region.
For example, if a vendor sells vegetables, he can inquire about the price of tomatoes and the stock availability with the other vendors.
This helps them to plan future purchases and reduce wastage of stocks. This feature also helps the vendors to fix a price among themselves. The app has a chat forum for other discussions.
From our background research, we found that there are handful apps like the Street Sati and Street Stop which already exist for the street vendors.
But they target connecting the customers to the street vendors and enhancing their businesses. But our app focuses on the communication between the street vendors and the financial inclusivity of all the non-organizational sector workers.
We started with a simple app flowchart that helped vendors to calculate the savings based on their daily income.
The research extended the journey to financial literacy, government schemes, and vendor connect.
The transformation from a simple calculator app to a robust informative app was a result of vigorous brainstorming and exchange of ideas between all of us.
We all three did the flowchart of the app. Aryan did the coding and the interface. Ishika fine-tuned the look and the feel of the user base. And I collected the research data and helped in the knowledge transfer part of the app. Thank you.